Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bad at Games, and we are back with Super Mario Odyssey. We left off right over here, and we have to face this guy. Now, as you can see, I don't have full HP or full hearts, whatever you want to call it. But we have to face this guy. Uh-oh, that's not good. Ah! That's not good. Can I climb him? Well, I got past him. That doesn't really help, though. Oh, I'll just do that. And ground pound him? No. There we go! First try. There we go. That's a moon. Nice! Already got one. Infiltrate Bowser's castle. Now this is opening up. There's a bridge now. We gotta go through these doors. Oh, guys. This isn't good. Smart bombing. Okay. Interesting. Oh, yeah. They're exploding because they're bombs. Alright, well, let's go ahead then. See what I can do. Break these open, just in case there's a secret. We already have, what, 4 moons here? That's good. Nope, don't want to do that. Got him, nice. I can go on the roof, that's probably important. There's always a secret around here. There always is something, I feel like. Purple coins. I guess that counts as something. We'll grab those. What else could we find? Anything this way? I don't see anything. Move over here. Go up here. We've been over there before. Okay. Let's move ahead then. Alright. Purple coins there. Cool. Let's move. Go over to here. See what's new. Something's gotta be down here. Take out all the flames, maybe? Just more purple coins, okay. That's fine. What if I take out these? Does that do anything for me? I don't know. We get this checkpoint, though. Second courtyard. Oh, there's moon shard pieces. Oh, geez. That's not good. I want to get this one. Nice. Go over to here. Question mark blocks. Nice. Is there a way to get up there? Nice. I'm assuming we want to... Oh. Okay. I think I know what I have to do here. If I go right here... I can blow up these boxes. Nice. Blow those up. Blow up all these. Nice. Okay. I don't know which one of... I don't know how many boxes I should blow up, though. Or which ones are the most important. Can I put out the flame with my... Nice. Take out these guys. More purple coins. Cool. Check the bomb over there. Uh-oh. Not what I wanted to do. Can blow up that bird with my nose. Got him. I'm hitting it the wrong way. Hang on. Nice. That do anything? Something over here? No? Oh, that's not good. I can climb the wall. The bird. Kind of forgot I could do that. Even though I just did it a while ago, or a little bit ago. Oh, jeez. Okay. There's coins down there. Oh, hang on. There's something down here. That's just great. Okay, and we are back. Let's try this again. So what I wanted to do was... Oh, it's over there. Okay. What I want to do is I want to get over to this area. So let me do that. Nice, okay. And now we have to... I'm gonna wait for this bomb to fall. Do that. Nice. Do that, okay. Can grab those coins. Cool. Was there a purpose of doing that? Something up here? Yes, a moon. Good. Treasure. I had a moon. Or I got a moon. Okay, we need 2 more moon shards. And I'm assuming that if I let this bomb drop, I hit it. Moon shard right there. Okay. Take out you. Annoying bird. Take out all of these boxes here. Nice. Is this the last box? Does that do anything for me? Something up here? Maybe. Hang on. I don't know if I can get up there. Huh. Interesting. Oh, maybe I can get a bird up here? I should be able to. Let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, so I have a bird, and we are going to go up with it. Onto the top of here. There's gotta be something. More purple coins. Wow, I should get a moon for that. I mean, maybe not. Where's the last? I see the last moon shard. It's over here. Right over here. Nice. And there is the moon. Awesome. Cool. And I think there was more purple coins back there. Was there? Oh yeah, they're down there. See that? Right there. But we're just gonna grab this moon for now. Cool! Smart bombing. They could have thrown bomb-oms as enemies in there. But that is the next section. Big brutal battle. We gotta fight those guys again. Alright, well... that was it for today's video. We used the bombs and the birds to get more moons. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.